Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to automatically send building equipment rental service quotation to client on WhatsApp on website enquiry. So let's take an example that you are a building equipment rental service provider and you are running a website online for the promotion of your business. You have already created an inquiry section in your website where you have an inquiry form for the customers. Now, you want that whenever a client fills that inquiry form from any source like website, social networking sites or personally, automatically your building equipment service quotation should be shared on their WhatsApp number. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your clients from the form that you have submitted on the website. Then compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your equipment rental quotation and send it to the customer. But this will be a time consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes actually impossible when you have large number of customers in a single day. So how are you going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a client fills the form on the website, automatically your building equipment service quotation should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the clients. But here there is a problem that there is no direct connection between Elementor form that is available on the website and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Elementor form and WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. Here we are using Elementor form to collect the responses. In place of Elementor form, you can use any other form building software application like JotForms, Pabbly Form Builder or Google Forms, etc. So now let us check this in the real time. So this is my website page and this is the form which I have attached on this particular website page, and here I have asked for the name, email address and mobile number of the clients. This is the quotation, equipment rental quotation which I have saved into my Google Drive, and this is the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now I want that whenever a client or the customer fills this particular form on my website, automatically this particular quotation should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the client over here. Okay, so now let us fill this form. I'll just give the name as Adam Smith. Okay, I'll give the email address as adamsmith11@gmail.com and I'll just give the mobile number over here. And now let us click on submit. The form was sent successfully. Okay, now let us check whether the client has received any message on his WhatsApp number or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp. And here we can find, hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z equipment rentals. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our building equipment rental services. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Our website address is mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, A to Z equipment rentals. Okay. Now let us click on this link and check what is there inside this link. And here we can see equipment rental quotation is shared with this particular client. So now here you might be wondering that I just filled a form on my website over here and automatically the quotation which was saved in my Google Drive, it is shared with the clients on his WhatsApp number along with a message also. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So let me show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Elementor form with the help of webhook URL. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect will offer us a webhook URL. Using that webhook URL, we have to create an integration between Elementor form and Pabbly Connect. Step 2. Collect the data from Elementor form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Elementor form. Step 3, send the same data to 360 dialog for sending messages on WhatsApp. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Elementor form, the same data will be used and a WhatsApp message will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer or the clients. And here we are using 360 dialog application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Elementor Form and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on Sign Up for Free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. Here in the All Apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name, Send Building Equipment Rental Services Quotation to Client on WhatsApp. And now let us click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a client fills the form on the website, automatically your building equipment rental service quotation should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the clients. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Elementor Form. In the trigger event, let us select New Form Submission. Now here we can see a webhook URL is displayed. So we have to simply copy this webhook URL from here. Now we can see that Pabbly Connect is waiting for the webhook response. So for that we have to go to the form on the website, and then we have to just create an integration between Elementor Form and Pabbly Connect using this particular webhook URL. For that I'll just take you to the pages. Okay, so this is my WordPress account. Using this WordPress account, I have created several pages over here. I'll just click on this page A to Z Equipment Rentals and I'll click on Edit with Elementor. So this is my website page and this is the form which I have attached on this particular website. Here I have asked for the name, email address and mobile number of the clients. Now here on the left side we can find several options. We have to come to this Actions After Submit option. Simply click on this. And here we have to add the action. Click on this plus sign and here we have to add the webhook. As soon as we add the webhook, here we can see the webhook is displayed. We have to open this webhook option and here it is asking for the webhook URL. So we have to simply paste the webhook URL over here which we have copied from Pabbly Connect, and now let's click on Update. Okay, so it is updated now. Now we have to fill this particular form to capture the response. For that I'll just take you to the website. And here, let us fill the form. I'll just give the name as Shikha Arya. I'll give the email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. And I'll just give the mobile number over here. And now let's click on Submit. Okay, the form was sent successfully. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see it is waiting for the webhook response. Let's wait for some more seconds and the response will be captured over here. Okay, and here we can see the response is captured. Name, that is Shikha Arya, email address, mobile number, form ID and form name, all the details which we have filled in the form and form related details are captured over here. Now we want to send the quotation to this particular customer, this particular client on this WhatsApp number. For that, I'll just come to this action window and here in the application, we are going to select 360 dialog. Now here in the action event, we have to select Send Template Message. Now let's click on Connect. Here we have to click on Add New Connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on Generate API Key button. Okay, so let's move to 360 dialog account. So this is the dashboard of 360 dialog account. I have added the link of 360 dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 dialog application and get 360 dialogue service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to this WhatsApp accounts, and here we can find generate API key option. You have to simply click on generate API key. You have to generate the API key, copy that API key and go to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Okay. Now, once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. In my case also, I have already generated the API key and I will be using the same API key. Okay. Now here, domain is required. Let us read the instructions. Enter the domain here, which you will get while generating the API key. Example is also given. So let us simply copy this example from here and we'll be pasting the example here. Okay. Now whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. Once you have entered the API key and domain name, just click on save. As I already have a connection here, I'll just choose this option, that is choose existing connection, and I'll click on save. And here 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here it is asking for the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the clients. So as we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template, then we have to get it approved from Facebook, and once the template is approved, then only we can send the messages on WhatsApp. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. For that, I'll just take you to my 360 dialog account once again, and here we can find manage templates option. Click on this. Now here you can see I have created several templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, click on this plus sign, add templates. Here you can give the template name. Here you can select the category as per your requirement. Several categories are available over here. Here you can select the language as per your choice. Here you can give the template type, and here you can give the body text of the particular message that you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then click on preview and submit. And once it is submitted and approved, you can use this template for sending the messages. So I'll just close this window and I'll just select the template which I have already created and got it approved. So let us find send brochure final template over here. This one. Okay, and I'll just open this template. Hello. Here the first parameter is given. Here the name of the particular client is going to come. So let us read the template first and then I'll be explaining you about these numbers. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your organization name or your service agency name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our. Again, here you can give the name of your service, whatever you are providing. Link can be copied here. The link of your brochure, quotation, flyer can be attached over here. For more details, you can visit our website. You can give the website address over here. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and again here, the name of your organization is going to come. Okay, so here I have given some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in curly braces. So you might be thinking why I have kept these numbers in the curly braces. These are the body fields, okay, and the values of these body fields are going to change. That is the reason we have kept these numbers in the curly braces. So let us select this template. Let's go to Pabbly Connect, and here in the template I will be selecting send brochure final. Now here we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything. Now here we have to give the recipient mobile number. So the recipient will be the client and we are going to get the mobile number from the form, Elementor form. So this will be the mobile number and this will be the name of the client. So let's scroll down and here let us select the mobile number from Elementor form and let us map this mobile number. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali. In our template also, first parameter is the name required. So let us map the name here from form once again, that is Shikha Arya. Now body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. And here in our template also, thank you for showing your interest in. Here your organization name is going to come. So let's go to the website, and here we can find the name, that is A to Z Equipment Rentals. This is the name of the website. Oh sorry, this is the name of your organization. So I'll just go to Pabbly Connect, and here let us type the same name, that is A to Z Equipment Rental. Now body field 3, example software. Here in our template, meanwhile we can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our building equipment rental services. So I'll just go to Pabbly Connect, and here let us type building equipment rental services. Now here body field 4, we require the link. So I'll just go to template once again, and here yes, we require the link. So I have pasted the brochure, the quotation, in my Google Drive over here. So I'll simply make a right click on this brochure, on this quotation. I'll click on share option, and here we can find get link option. I'll simply click on this copy link. I'll go to Pabbly Connect, and here I'll be just pasting the link. Now body field 5, we have to give the website address. So in our template also, here we can see our website address is required. I'll just go to the website, and from here I'll simply copy this website address. I'll go to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just paste the website address over here. Okay. And last, body field 6, here we have to give the organization name. In the template also, thanks, thank you, regards, and here the name is going to come, the organization name. So here I'll go to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just copy the name from here, that is A to Z Equipment Rentals, and I'll be just typing the text over here. Okay, and now let us click on save and send test request. Okay, and now here we can see the responses received. Now let's go to WhatsApp and check whether we have received any message or not on the client's number. Go to WhatsApp. Okay, the page is getting loaded over here, and here we can find a new message. I'll just open this message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z Equipment Rentals. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our building equipment rental services. Link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Website address is given. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, A to Z Equipment Rentals. Okay. So here, this was the first parameter, that was Shikha Arya. This was the second parameter, A to Z Equipment Rentals. The third parameter we have given was building equipment rental services. Fourth we have given was the link. Fifth we have given was the website address. And at last we have given this particular organization name, that is A to Z Equipment Rentals. Okay. So here we can see that all our parameters are properly working fine, and the correct message is sent to the client. Now here let us click on this link and check what is there inside this link. Okay, here we can see equipment rental brochure. The quotation is shared with the clients on their WhatsApp number. Okay. So now in this way, we can see that we have created a successful integration, and the correct message is going on the WhatsApp number of the clients. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that, again let us go to the website page. And let us fill this form once again over here, and this time let us give the name as Sanjay Sharma and email address as sanjaysharma11@gmail.com, and let's give the mobile number. Okay, and now let's click on submit. The form was sent successfully. Okay. Now let us check the WhatsApp number of the client. I'll go to WhatsApp, and here we can see a message. Hello Sanjay Sharma, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z Equipment Rentals. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Okay, the same message is sent on the WhatsApp number of this particular client. Now let us check the link also. Okay, and here we can see equipment rental brochure. This particular catalog is shared with the customer. Okay. So now here we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine, and the correct messages are sending on the WhatsApp number of the clients. So now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a client inquires about any of your equipment rentals on your website and fills the form, automatically your equipment rental quotation should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the clients. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Elementor Form and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.